Claude AI can now see and control your TradingView charts in real time. Here's exactly how to connect them step by step. To make this connection, we are gonna use the TradingView MCP. And what this basically is that it's a free open source bridge or connection between Claude and TradingView. And this allows Claude, that is our AI, to directly see everything that happens on the screen. So it can read the real-time live price data, and it can also control the chart automatically. So what Claude actually can do is that it can, for example, draw support and resistance lines without you even touching the keyboard. It's actually amazing. And here the connection consists of 4 pieces. This is not really something you need to memorize or something you need to learn, but it consists of basically a node.js, the MCP, which is the connector, and we're actually going to use a debug mode. But as I said, don't really worry about that, because I have created a guide and a prompt that will guide you through how to connect TradingView to Claude step by step. But what is very important is that for this to work, you need the TradingView desktop app. So you should not use TradingView in browser. You need to download the TradingView desktop app. And I actually think you need a paid plan for this. And here, if you don't have a paid plan, don't worry, because I do have a special link to TradingView. You can use that link to get TradingView Premium for free for 30 days. And if you later on decide that you want to upgrade, you can also get a $15 bonus. So you need TradingView, and you also need to get the Claude desktop app. But now I'm gonna guide you through how to connect Claude to TradingView step by step. And to do this, I have actually written a guide here on mindmathmoney.com. I will make sure to link this guide in the description of the video, or you can just go to mindmathmoney.com. You go to free educational guides right here, and you scroll down and press right here, how to connect Claude to TradingView. And here, if you're interested more deeply on how this works, I actually recommend to read through this guide. But if you scroll down a bit here, I have actually created a prompt that you can copy. So what you want to do is that you want to copy this prompt right here. And then you actually want to place the prompt within Claude, because here is the magical thing about AI. The easiest way to install this connection is to actually use Claude itself. So by using this prompt, Claude will guide you through the installation process step by step. This was exactly how I did to connect TradingView to Claude, and I have made this prompt to be beginner friendly and step by step. But here, real quick, before you make this connection, I also recommend that you actually check out the official GitHub page for this TradingView and MCP, or in other words, for this connection between TradingView and Claude. And I also want to really emphasize right now that this connection between TradingView and Claude is not an official tool made by TradingView. This is not made by TradingView. As you can see here on the GitHub page, this tool is not affiliated with or endorsed by TradingView. And this GitHub page explains everything. It explains, how it works and why it's safe to run and so on and so on. So before doing anything, I actually really recommend that you read through, the disclaimers and the important parts of this page, so you really know what to do before you do it. But as you can also see here, this page has, 4.3 thousand stars. So this is a connection that is already used by, thousands and thousands of traders. But yeah, a good habit to develop, as soon as possible in the AI age is to always, read through everything and really understand, what you are installing before you do it. Okay, so what you now need to do is that you need to download the Claude app, and you do that on claude.com/download. And you also need to download the TradingView desktop app, and you do that on tradingview.com/desktop. Then you want to open up a new chat inside Claude, and then you want to paste the prompt that I showed you guys earlier that is in the article. This is the prompt that will guide you through the installation process step by step. So you paste this prompt right here. And here, depending on your Claude plan, as you can see right here, I'm currently using the best model, which is Fable 5, but depending on when you watch this video, Fable 5 might not be available. But what I always recommend doing when you use AI is, if possible, you want to always use the best model, because the difference between, you know, a model that is at the very top and a model that is just a little bit below, there can actually be a very big difference in efficiency. So if you can, I recommend to actually use the highest model, especially when you do things like installing things and, you know, using it for trading. I highly recommend the highest model. So I'm going to use Fable 5 here. And as you can see in this installation process, I will not show the whole process, but it should be able to guide you through everything you need. So for example, now it asks you, you know, are you on a Windows or Mac? So I'm on Windows, so I press Windows. It asks you, you know, do you have the TradingView desktop app installed? Yes, it's installed. Yes, Claude is installed, and so on and so on. And it will start to work you through this whole process. And as you can see here, step 1, you want to check if node.js is installed. It show you everything, you know, everything really step by step. But right, so I really hope the installation process went well. If you have any questions regarding the installation process, I actually highly recommend to, you know, ask Claude about it. It's, you know, much more intelligent than me in many cases. But of course, if you know, stumble upon any problems, also you can leave a comment down below and I will try my really best to help. But now we have opened up TradingView here. We are, as you can see, we are on Bitcoin on a daily time frame, and Claude is connected to TradingView. And here, as you can see, I usually like to have this on my second screen. So I usually have Claude on one screen and TradingView on another. But so you guys can see everything at once, I will keep them both at the same screen. So here, I'm just doing a simple test. I'm asking, is Claude connected to TradingView? Sometimes you need to allow for things to happen. And as you can see right here, yes, TradingView is connected and healthy. I can see your open chart, Bitstamp, Bitcoin USD. So it actually sees it. It sees that we are on the daily time frame. It says I can control your charts, your indicators, Pine script, alerts, everything. So it already starts to feel a little bit like magic, but we are just getting started. But right, so now when you have this video was just a very short clip from our full course on how to use TradingView together with Claude AI. To watch the full course, all you need to do is to click or tap on the screen right here.